Are you shooting with multiple cameras or filming over multiple shoot days? If so, you absolutely should be using timecode and timecode generators on your film set. Wait, I know timecode can be intimidating, but knowing how to use it properly could save you hours in your post-production workflow. Today, I'm going to give you a little breakdown on timecode and how to implement timecode generators onto your set with a demonstration using our Deity TC1s here at Budget Camera. So, what is timecode? Timecode identifies the frames in your audio and video files and is stamped onto your clips using metadata to indicate the time and the frame that your clip starts at. Timecode is typically written as 2 digits per hour, minute, second, and frame. The idea is, once you import your clips into an editor and synchronize them via timecode, your clips will sync up perfectly, even if they stopped or started at different times. Timecode is essential when shooting over multiple shoot days or with multiple cameras because it allows you to synchronize your clips with actual mathematical data rather than less reliable methods like waveform. Now, most audio and video recording devices have their own internal clocks to keep timecode, but they're just not that accurate, which is why we use external timecode generators. External timecode generators are essentially extremely reliable clocks that you can plug into your devices so that they can sync up with each other and have the same timecode. And it makes sure that they don't desync or drift. Before you can start using your timecode generators on set, you need to sync your devices together, which is sometimes referred to as jamming or jam syncing. The Deity TC1s are compatible with the Citus TC Audio app, which allows you to wirelessly connect, set up, and jam sync your devices. Make sure every device is set at the exact same frame rate or else timecode drifting will occur. Once your generators have been jammed, you can go and plug them into your audio and video devices. You have to make sure that you have 1 generator per device and keep it plugged in during your entire shoot so that your devices stay accurate. Certain devices have built-in timecode generator ports, so you can directly plug in your generator. Once you're plugged in, make sure that the timecode on your camera matches the timecode on the LCD. Do not assume that it's connected just because it's plugged in. Each device will have its own setup required to accept external timecode generators, so make sure that you research your particular model before you get to set. Once the timecode on your devices matches up, you're good to go. Whenever you press record, your timecode will stamp directly onto your files. But what if your device doesn't have a timecode port? To use a timecode generator without a dedicated timecode port, you'll have to connect the generator to an audio input instead, which sounds a bit like this. That noise is actually your timecode metadata. If you're using this method, make sure you have an external audio recorder recording a clean audio track. So, you finish recording and you're about to start your edit. Now what? If you recorded timecode via audio, you'll first need to convert the audio into timecode metadata. You can do this using an editor like DaVinci or Premiere Pro, or using a third-party app such as the Technical Sync Studio or Citus TC Sync app. In the media page, select the clips that you need to convert the audio to timecode metadata and select Update Timecode from Audio. Now, select all your clips, right-click, and select Create New Multi-Camera Track from selected clips. This will open a pop-up menu where you can mess around with all your timeline settings. The most important thing to remember is to change your angle sync to timecode. Now select your new multi-camera clip and select Open in Timeline. All your clips will be there perfectly synced and you're ready to start your edit. It's safe to say that knowing how to use timecode and external timecode generators is one of the most time-saving hacks that you can have on set. Soon you'll forget that you ever worked without them. Next time you want to try out a timecode generator kit for yourself, make sure to rent out the Deity TC1 generator kit here at Budget Camera.